from SpinachTiger.com, cooking big, fat, healthy food. One of the ways to bake healthy, I do a lot of low carb and keto friendly baked goods from scratch. You can see them always at Spinach Tiger. I use almond flour a lot of times. You can buy almond flour blanched or you can make your own. So I have raw almonds, and what we do with the raw almonds, we need to get the skins off. That's what the blanched means. We want to get these skins off. So we boil these in boiling water for about 1 minute. Then we rinse them in cold water and then just use our hands and the skins come right off. So now that you've seen that, you can do this 2 ways. You can put these in a food processor and then you just pulse for 3 seconds, move it around, because if you go too long in either the Vitamix or the food processor, what are you gonna get? You're gonna get almond butter. We don't want almond butter, we want almond flour. So I'm gonna use my Vitamix today. This is 1 cup of almonds makes 1 cup of flour. And we're gonna pulse for 5 seconds. Or we could just pulse, like I said. I think we're about done. Now, what you want to make sure of is before you do this, those almonds need to be dry. I'd say a couple of hours, maybe even overnight. Just make sure they're super dry, because that's going to really impede how fine your flour is, because you want it super fine for baking. Okay, so here you have it. Here's your homemade almond flour, and I'm gonna link a couple of great almond flour baked recipes that go with this. A lot of them are super healthy, sugar-free, keto-friendly, low-carb, diabetic-friendly, and almond flour is really the key to that. Thank you for coming to SpinachTiger.com, cooking big, fat, healthy food, and don't forget to subscribe because we really do appreciate that.